This 2023 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen 356 QB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mount Clemens, Michigan, 48043 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.